Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to another unboxing video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18 and today we have the Pro-B6.4, a new budget-friendly 6.5-inch mid-range. Today I'm going to open it up, guys, show you some specs, show you the speaker, how it looks. Then we're going to put it on our demo board, play some music, and you guys can hear it and check it out. So let's start with it. Let's open this baby up. Pro-B6.4, and here we go. We got manual, DS18 manual, and then we got the Pro speaker. Put that down there, and there you go. Real nice Pro Audio mid. Now, what does this mid have different from the rest? So this is a budget-friendly 6.5-inch mid-range, right? So let's say you have a low-powered sound system. You have a 2-channel, a 4-channel amplifier that's not powerful enough to push one of our other mids, but you're actually pushing a set of two-way coaxials. You can replace those coaxials with this Pro Audio mid right there, with the Pro-B6.4. Why? This is 60 watts RMS, 120 watts max power. It's a 1-inch voice coil. It has a high sensitivity, 93 dB sensitivity. Check that out. So it'll sound way better than a two-way coaxial, way louder. It'll fit in your door panel pretty much. It's really slim. It's really it's a decent size, right? You got the edge surround, cloth surround, you got the bullet, aluminum bullet in the middle, paper cone, ferrite magnet, easy butt connectors. Trust me, guys, this looks like it's gonna sound good. So let's load it up. Alright, so it's mounted on, it's ready to play. We got phone ready, we got a song picked out. Let's turn it on, put some volume, and let's hear it. So, there you guys have it. It sounds amazing. It's crispy loud. Its clarity is off the chain. Now remember, this is a budget mid. It's being powered by one of our S1200.4s, which is rated at 50 watts RMS per channel. This is rated at 60 watts, so it's underpowering the mid. And look how loud and clear it sounds. Pretty amazing. So the Pro-B6.4, the new mid-range by DS18. It's a budget-friendly mid-range. It can be replaced by a coax. You don't like your coax how they're sounding, you want something louder, you replace it with this bad boy. It fits in most door panels. It's lightweight, it's high sensitivity, low powered, and it's DS18. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.